Here we have an imported tube part. Currently, making edits to this will be quite difficult, as the imported file doesn't bring in any of the underlying sketch geometry. The direct editing commands in SOLIDWORKS would allow me to make certain changes, but to really have control over this tube, I'd have to recreate it. Fortunately, the Solid Solutions programming team have created a command to make this process easy. Built into the SOLIDWORKS interface as part of an add-in, the tube centerline command will automatically create a centerline based on the faces selected. As the tube is split in half, I only need to select half the faces, as that will be sufficient to find the center. Running the command generates a 3D sketch with a spline running through the center of the model. To create the tube geometry from this, I can just use the sweep command, using the circular profile option and picking the 3D sketch. This method is perfect for recreating flexible tubes or hoses, but this tube would actually better be represented by lines and arcs rather than a spline. This will also make it easier to edit, as splines can be difficult to manipulate. So I'm actually going to delete this one and run the command again. This time I'll select to use arcs instead of splines. Other than that, the process is the same. Though when creating the tube this time, I'm going to turn on the thin feature command as well, which will create a hollow tube for me. The tube centerline command will recognize arcs of the same size and apply an equal relation between them. This is really convenient for making edits, as all the bends in this tube have a consistent radius, and it makes it possible to change them all at once. For precise edits to the tube, we could now edit the sketch, although it's possible to make quick edits simply by dragging it using Instant 3D. Finally, if you need to prepare the tube for bending, we can create a table in YBC format on the drawing with another custom command. This is a common format for bending machines, and being able to generate both the centerline and table with automated tools like this is a huge time saver for anyone following this kind of process, and it's another great example of how custom commands can create an efficient workflow. If you're looking to speed up your own workflows and you think that a custom programming solution may help, then please don't hesitate to give us a call or fill in our online form to find out more.